Hello. Right. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can install Redis on Windows. So in order to install Redis on Windows, in order to use Redis on Windows, the first thing you have to there is a repository in GitHub which is called Redis Windows. You just have to go to this repository. But I'm going to give you the link from which you can download Redis. So in order to do that, you just have to go to Redis Windows and you know let me show you by doing, and you will find Redis window repository. Just click in this repository and you will see something like this. Now what you have to do is you have to go to this and and you have to type releases, and you click in this releases. As you hit this URL, you will get this thing. Okay, you will get in this page, and in this releases page, just scroll below and you will get something like assets. And what you need to do is just click over here in this thing, click over this link, and your Redis will get downloaded in the file. Alright, so after this, you just have to go to your downloaded, Redis downloaded, file location, folder location, or whatever directory where the Redis is downloaded, whether Redis G file is downloaded. You just have to go there on gpit, and after on gp that file, what you have to do is you will get something like this. Let me show you. You will get a file like this, and just have to damn, let me show you guys. Okay, so you will get folder, you'll get this folder. You have to go to this folder after that, in which, so now we are starting the Redis server. All right, so in order to start, you have to go to this folder, and after there there will be one more folder started, like there is, so you have to go inside this folder, and you'll get one application that is called Redis, Redis server.exe. You just have to hit this command and the Redis server will get started. Alright, here we go. So now you can use your Redis on 6379 port. So that's all about the video. Thank you guys for watching the video.